This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. So last class, we were creating the dashboard, right? Okay. So in that dashboard, we created two dashboard. I think we created in that. Correct? Huh? Let me share that data. Wait 1 second. Did you create the dashboard? One second. First, I want to share my screen. Has everyone created the dashboard? Okay. Let me open my our dashboard. We were creating one dashboard we created already. I will show you that. Where is our Tableau? This the dashboard we created in the last class. This one I don't want here. Like this I am going to place. Oh, here it's not showing properly, right? Here also it's not showing. See, that is the sales information. So we have. Where is our? What about our another dashboard? Click on that. So here, this is also product information. So we have in the particular dashboard. We have in the product information. So we have. We want to drag here. Move these options. Make it little bit big. So this is one of the filter. I'm going to move to the filter here. Just select this one. First, I want to alignment. I want to let it be. Open the information. So here, side by side chart. If I don't want this one, click on the drop down button. Remove the title. Here also, click on this drop down button to remove the title about the chart. Click on this drop down button and take the title. See, normal value is going to display in that So we can little bit, I'm going to increasing this the value information. So we have one more information. So we have all these are the product informations we have in that. Okay, so background color if you want to apply also. Okay, one more chart means one more dashboard I am going to create a, click on that, one more dashboard, click on that here, uh, align left. Okay, product information so we have. If I want to change these colors, all these things, select the data means select the data, change the colors, all these options I'm going to change, select this change options. Okay, see now it has changed the product informations we have in that, sales information so we have in that. Now one more options, product okay, sales okay, customer information I want to create a one more dashboard I want to create. I don't want a sheet, remove that sheet, delete. So I am going to create a, this is the dashboard option, this is the new worksheet, this is the dashboard, click on the dashboard. See now this the dashboard options is going to display here. Sales information so we got, product information also we got, but I want to get the information about the customer information. So in this particular dashboard I am going to importing the customer information. So if I have the data, all these things, select the floating, select the floating. If you want to give the title, select the title options. Here I want to customer details or else informations. Change the font style. I'm going to select book and queue little bit. I'm going to increasing that. So center alignment, font color. If you want to change, we can change the font color also, or else select the more color options. Click on that. Click on OK. Apply. Okay. That information. So we got customer information. Now in this particular chart, if I have the this one for chart hierarchy, product I don't want, text, this the segment options we have in that, but I don't want that about the segment. Economy, office supplies, tables, what is the informations we have here, all the product information. I don't want this one, remove that. Suppose if I have the product informations, we can heat map, sorry, customer information. If I have the customer information, it's easy for us. Area, office supplies, product, all these things, symbol map, Gantt chart. This is the customer information. No, product information, right? Close this one. I don't want this one. Again, if I have, we can select data filter, and here sheet. All these are the furniture only. This also. by members. All these are we have the product numbers only. Customer details we don't have. Let me see that. In out. Here we have the customer information. So that is the customer information we have in that. Now see, when we selected in out that options, once if you use in the filter, automatically that filter options means in that options it will come. For this I don't want this title. I'm going to remove the title. Little bit I'm going to drag, select this one, increase that option. So this the in and out options we have in that. Just drag and drop here. Once if you apply the filter, automatically that options it will come. Click on that. See, and tick the title. Automatically we are going to get the customer information. This is also customer information. If I have that product, number of product, I don't want this one. Here, side by side chart, dual combination. Dual combination means all these are product informations only we have. Percentage, total. First we have to do the alignment. First I am going to which chart it's required I am going to take. After that I will do the alignment options. And here this is product category. This one I don't want. Parameters. All these are the product only. Furniture, central, total. Drag and drop here. Make it small. Click on that and tick the title. Category, percentage, total, dual combination. We taken same so many options for customers, right? Customers names. All these are the product only we taken. Conditional, side by dual aspect. Just loss. One second, I will show you that. Group by member. Top 5 product set by conditions. Already we taken the set by conditions. This one only we taken. Set by conditions. Okay, here we have the set by condition option also we have. Do that option. Let's select a little bit. Do the alignment how much you want. Select this one. Drag and drop here. Only the profit. All these are the filter option. I don't want this one filter. I don't want this colors, all these options. I'm going to remove. Drag and drop. In that, select I think same product. I think no, this is different. This is different. Okay, Select this one. Remove the title. This one no need. I'm going to remove. Uh, See, all these are the customer information so we have in that. So all these customer name, this the customer options we imported in this particular tree chart also. Okay, I will give you 5-10 minutes. So you have all everyone should create the dashboard. 3 dashboard minimum, 3 dashboards we have to create. Okay, like this. See now here I have created. This is for sales information. So we have in that this one product informations we have in that. Here customer informations we have. Select this one, or else if you want to change the alignment, double click on that central right, left alignment, click on OK. Left options it will come. See, this is the information so we have in that. So I will give you the 10 minutes. So you have to create. Got it? See, this is the customer information. So here I will give the center only. It's okay. I think okay. Customer information, one dashboard. So another one product information. Third one sales information. Like this 3 dashboards you created. Like this you have to create the 3 dashboard also. This one okay we done all the sales related to sales. All these things we have to import in one places. In another dashboard all the related to product informations we have to import. We can import the options. After that customer information. Right? Everyone should try. This is the first one, second one, this is the third one. Is everyone created the chart or still creating? Any doubts? Please reply me if you don't have any chart anything, or else if you have confusions anything, one more time I'm going to explain. This the third dashboard. This the second dashboard. About that only the product information I have in that. Done. Is everyone created? Please reply me in the chat box, or still doing. Is everyone finished? This the second dashboard. This the third one. Same chart also you can drag and drop into that. Any doubt is there or not? Please put into the chat box. If I have any confusions, doubts, anything, so I'm if I have any doubts, confusions, anything, one more time I'm going to screen. One more time I will show you that. That's why I'm asking. If you have any confusions, anything, tell me.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma.
don't have confusions in dashboards, but in the older chart, box and
Hmm.
whisker chart, I don't understand that, ma'am.
Box and whisker chat. Huh? Okay, okay. I will show you that one. Ma. I will teach why we are going to use the box and whisker chat. I will show you that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Now, here we have that box and whisker chart options. So what is this box and whisker chart means? For example, if I want to know that how much is the highest sales, it's going to display to how much is the highest, how much is the lowest sale, how much is the highest sale we done. It will show the display for us. When we are going to create the box and whisker chart, how much highest sales means it will display how much is the highest, how much is the lowest, like this that options is going to display. Okay, in the office appliance, see all these are the highest option. From here in the dark colors it's showing now, all these are the lowest options going to display. Lowest option, see, dark blue color. So this the about the sales, how much say highest, how much lowest options be done, that informations it's going to display in the box and whisker chart option. So we have to drag the uh, category into the row column segment wise. If you want to see that segment wise, drag and drop into the column, quantity into the rows. Automatically the whisker chart is going to display to us. Show me option. So in that box and whisker chart is going to display, means how much is highest sale. So this the highest sales, dark color is showing that this the lowest sales. See now, this the options going to display. So I will show you that. In that, okay, one more time I will going to create a how to display. Take a new worksheet, select the new worksheet. In that, uh, where is our category, product category? Drag the category into the columns. Okay, so after that, uh, sales, sales into the rows. See now, once if we select these options, it's going to display because only one category we imported. If I click on that, sorry, go back, drag the category, click on that product name, select the sales into the rows. See now, if I select these options, it's going to display like this. If I don't want this category wise, drag and drop into the subcategory wise. Drag the, or else we can drag the category and sales, or else we can drag the segment wise. If you want to see that subcategory also, we can select select the subcategory. Once if we select the box and whisker chart, see all these are the highest sales we done, this is the lowest options, it's going to display category wise. Suppose if I want to select the segment wise, click on that.
Ma'am, I just wanted to know like what is the upper hincher and upper whisker and median.
So mid here lower and higher options going to display, ma. All these are light color is going to display the, see here option is there, lower whisker, this the lowest options, this one, this the upper option, lowest to upper it's going to display to us. See now it's showing in the this one, what is that, this box, in that particular box, so tooltip it's going to display this box called as a tooltip. Upper whisker means upper sales this much, 2,90,000 something. So in the lowest sales 1,31,000 something it's going to display. Based on that sales, that information it's going to display in one bar, in one set bar it's going to display to us. What is the upper sale? What is the lower? That is we call as a, what is the upper whisker? That is the lower whisker options going to display. So this the options is going to display to us. This the upper means lowest to upper, that information is going to display to us. This is the option also. Lowest to upper, what is the sales, that information is going to display to us. See dark color. So like this option is going to display. How the sales happen, lowest to highest, what is the sales value amount it's going to display. Okay, that is we call as a box whisker chart.
What is upper
What
and lower hinge, ma'am?
lower schema here, if I place the cursor in the uh, whisker chart, one tooltip is going to display, no, in the first option is showing upper whisker. That means this is the based on that sales, the color also it's going to change. If it's a lower, dark color it's going to display. If it's a upper, light color it's going to display. First option is showing to us upper whisker 2,90,081 rupees. So in the below lower whisker 1,31,000, like this is the lowest to highest, how much it's happened, that information it's going to display as a category wise. All these are my categories. See, office supplies. So in that office supplies it's going to highest sales. Once I will show you that. Okay, so here one more chart I'm going to take. Just category, drag the category, select the sales. In that, see, for us technology is the highest, so then office supplies medium, this the furniture first place, like this. First this office technology is the top one, second one is office supplies, third one is furniture. It's going to display here. See, now office supplies is the here options showing to us. So this the product category, technology is the highest, so office supply is the medium and the middle, so furniture this the based on that sales information it's going to display, chart will come. But this is the highest option, means lowest to highest it's going to display. This is the top one, like this it's going to display. This is the medium, this is the lowest options. So when we are selling the product, say suppose if I want to drag and drop into the category segment, let me see that options. Again it's going to change. Segment wise, what is the sales we done? What is the top one? It's going to highest options, this one top one. See, now if I place the cursor here, see, based on that sales, that value is going to display. This the lowest, this the highest. So this the lowest, this the highest. If I place the cursor, lowest sales, how much we done? See, 12,000 something it's going to display. But highest sale, how much? Say 1,29,000, like upper whisker, 2,09,000 something it's going to display. Dark color means lowest sale. Light color is highest sale, means in the single bar, lowest to highest, how the sales happened. That information it's going to display to us. Okay, whenever we are going to select the category, always it's going to display ascending order only. That's why office supplies is the middle of the options. If I place the cursor, see, lowest whisker means lowest sell 1,31,000. If I move that, see, highest options 2,90,000, like this. Lowest to highest, how the sales happen, that information is going to display. If I want to drag one more subcategory options also, based on that information subcategory, okay, one second. So because so many more than 10-15 subcategories there, that's why I'm going to select a segment. um, One second, I will show you. Mm,
I got it, ma'am.
okay, ma. See, now if I drag and drop based on that segment, that option is showing to us. See, now this is the lowest, this is the highest. In the particular tooltip, it's going to display what is the lowest, what is the medium, what is the highest. That in single bar it's going to display to us. Here also see, lowest 45, highest 31. See, now lowest 21, highest 50, like this option is going to display to us. All the information is going to display in the box and whisker. Box type it's going to display, means highest to lowest, that information it's going to display. If you want, we can change that colors, all these things we can change. If I click on that, change colors, that is not a matter, we can select the options also. I don't want this colors options, no, sorry. Select the whisker chart, select the segment. See, this the informations, click on that. That information is going to display. Why? One second, ma. Drag the segment, click on that. One second. Category, column sales information.
It's okay, ma'am. I got it. I just wanted to know the upper whisker and
Okay,
hinge.
okay. Got it, Noma? Understood now this option? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. Is everyone created or still doing? Has everyone finished? Is this test tomorrow? Yes, tomorrow we have the exam. Test is there tomorrow, 6:30 to 7:30. Okay, tomorrow we have class. Done about the dashboard? Is everyone finished? MCQ. Okay, I will tell now. Okay. How many MCQ questions I will tell? First, complete the dashboard. First, I will tell about that. Okay. Total 50 questions we have. Okay, all MCQ questions only. So I will send the link. Okay, so total 50 questions we have. Timings tomorrow only, my same timings. Our classes are in the 6 to 7:30, no. So then 6:30 to last 1 hour means 6:30 to 7:30 we have the exam. We have test. Okay. Have you created ma Dikshita Janvi dashboard created or not? Still creating or completed, finished? Finished. Okay, okay. What about others then? Then okay, good. See now, after creating the dashboard, so here, what is the um, 1, 2, 3 dashboards we created? This is the first one, second one, third one. See now, if I want to see that all the 3 dashboard also in one places, every time if I want to see that product information, I have to click on that product information. If I want to see that customer information, again I want to click on this. Where is that our customer name? In that little bit we can drag. We have space to select this one. This one, click on that. Drag and drop here. Here our title is there here. Select. Just move the dashboard. Like this we have the information here. But now what is that dash? See, if I want to see that customer information, I have to select dashboard 4. If I want to see that product information, I have to select the dashboard 3. If I want to see that sales information, I have to select the dashboard 2. Every time I can't click on that. All the information, if you want to see in one places, means multiple dashboard. If I want to see in the one places, we have to select the, here see, play dashboard new story. That means that is be called as a story. If I click on that story option, means story sheet, multiple dashboard we can drag and drop in that. Okay, see, we created here 3 dashboards we created. If I want to see that sales information, I have to click on that. Sorry. Again, if I want to see that dashboard, so product information, again I have to click another one. If I want to see that sales information, again I have to click the another one dashboard. Now 3 dashboard also we can drag and drop in one places, means multiple dashboards we can drag and drop into the one places. That is we called as a story. Okay, see now This is the option. This is the story. See, if I place the cursor, it's going to display new story. Click on that. Click on this particular option. See here, in that whatever we created, see, multiple dashboard options going to display. Dashboard 1, oh sorry, not here, in that last option. Say dashboard 1, dashboard 2, 3, like this option is going to display for us. We can drag and drop into the dashboard also in this particular sheet. Okay, dashboard means entire informations we can import in one places. We can display in one places using the visualization. But new story means multiple dashboards we can drag and drop into the one places. How to use these options? First, select the dashboard. 2, drag and drop into the add caption. Click on that. See, now this is the first options we got. Here I want to type sales info. Add caption, no need add to caption. Here drag and drop. This is the one options. Again, drag and drop into the another dashboard. See, another dashboard we got. This is the first option, sir. This is for sales, sales info. This one, see now, product info. Double click on that. Product means product information. Another one, drag the dashboard, drag and here, select this one, drag and drop near to the box. See now, this kind of symbol is going to display. Click on that. See now, this is the customer information. Like this, we can select the options. See now, if I want to see that sales information, click on that. This is the sales information so we have. Okay, so if I want to see that product, click on that product information so we have in that. See, all these are the product information. Click on that customer information so we can select the customer information. See now, okay, in that sales information, we have some of filter options also here. This is the region. See, all these are the filter options we have. In that filter options, see here one of the, one second. Here I want to display, where is the filter? This is the filter option. One of the category also filter option. If I select the furniture, all the information showing, no. Before that, select the dashboard 2. This is the informations we have in that. How to see the information? I want to filter, right? If you want to filter the information, once if you select the high, means so I want to see only the furniture information. I don't want to see the office supplies, technology, all these things. Only the furniture informations I want to display in the pie chart also. In this particular chart, I'm going to remove the title. Here also, select this one. I'm going to remove the title options. Here also, click on that. I don't want this title, remove that. Here also, click on that, remove the title. This is the information so we have. But now I want to see only the furniture information. If I click on that furniture, if I click on that, select the, if I click on that furniture, see now only the particular one chart it's going to display to us. Here only the furniture information is, see if I click on that, that the furniture information is going to display. Furniture sales amount it's going to display. If I click on that, Office supplies, see only the one chart it's going to display, it's going to get the effect. But I don't want like that. Entire chart, all the chart information I want to display. For that, how to use these options means, click on this, select the particular option, click on that drop down button, more option is there. Here it's going to display uh, loading order I don't want. It's not a filter, huh? One second. We need filter options. Where it is a filter option? Okay, I think we didn't select them. In that, I'm going to select the go to sheet. Click on that go to sheet. In this, we don't have the filter. Okay, so go back. In this particular options, we have the filter. I will check in that. Here, filter option is there. Once if I in the filter, highlight selected items options also is there. Show format options, edit colors. I don't want edit colors. Here, some. Click on that. This the sizes options. Here also, go back, select the particular option. Here is there, I will check once. If we have the filter, then only that option is showing properly for us. If not, we can drag and drop into that. Okay, so back, click on that, go to sheet options. Here highest to lowest, this the filter option is there. Drag the sales performance, no, drag the sales performance into the filter. Now click on OK. Now it's showing here. Click on that show filter option. If I click on that show filter, automatically show filter option is going to display. In that show filter, if I click on that, in every chart it should get effect, no, that's why click on this particular drop down button, apply to worksheet. Here select all using data source. I don't want this selected worksheet, all using data source we can select, or selected worksheets whatever we imported. For this also we can select all, the select all. So then click on OK. Now see, go back, select the performance, it's okay. Here click on the dashboard 2. Here we have, no, so where is that filter then? Category, here highest to lowest. If I click on this highest sales, click on that, in every chart highest sales only it's going to, but only one chart is going to work, because in this particular option we don't have the filter options. One second, I will show you. One second. In this, what is the subcategory, no, for this also I'm going to take the filter options. Go to sheet. So now subcategory, drag the subcategory into the, if I don't have filter, you have to drag and drag the subcategory into the filter, select all, click on OK. So now click on that show filter. If I click on that show filter, so all the information is going to display to us. Okay, after that click on this drop down button, apply to all using data source. This one we have to select. So every data source it's going to display to us. After that, go to dashboard. I'm going to remove that. Again, I'm going to drag and drop here. Remove that. This one, right? Chart, drag and drop into that. Once if we select that option, see, automatically filter options it will come. Automatically the filter options also it's going to display to us. What I am going to do that, select the filter options. Wherever you want we can drag, because here region wise we don't have options. I am going to remove that. So this one, drag and drop into somewhere. Here I am going to select the filter options, make it small. Now that details it's going to apply. See, this is the filter option. So we have in that. Once if we select the accessories, it's going to display to for all the charts. Now remove all these options. Click on that only the appliance information. See, only the office appliance information is going to display. Binder information if you want, click on that binder information. See, only the binder options. Two product we selected. See here, envelopes, select the envelopes. Like this we can filter particular product. See, that's the high low, all these are office supplies. All these are office supplies. Total amount, if I calculate this total amount, it's going to display this much amount only. See, that is a total amount is going to display. Means if you calculate all the information, it's going to display total amount is going to display to us. Again, click on that bookcases. We can select this information. It's going to affect to all these also. Here also only the office appliance it's going to display to us. Okay, so in that, once if we select the filter options, then only that all the information is going to display. We should select the filter, then only that option is going to display in the dashboard. So I want to select the product, or else I am going to select the category wise I am going to select. Okay, select this one, uh, product hierarchy, right? This file name is product hierarchy. So where is that product hierarchy? In that, i'm I'm going to select the product hierarchy chart, because that one we selected, no, already we imported product hierarchy. Click on that. Here subcategory, so we have the subcategory. Okay, in that filter, click on that show filter. See, all the subcategories showing to us. Okay, then, and one more options also I'm going to select. Go to dashboard, select the second one, select the product hierarchy, drag and drop here. See, along with that filter option also it's going to display to us. Any filters you can select. Okay, this is the filter. Click on that, select the product hierarchy. If I select this particular options, click on that. Here apply to worksheet option is there. All using data source or selected worksheet we should not select. Select this all using this worksheet. Once if you select the tables information and take this one, I want to know only the tables. Click on the tables options. Only the tables options going to display to us. See, all these are the tables information. Okay, see, all these are the tables options in the segment. See, table, that's the categories furniture, subcategories table. Another one, bookcases. If you want, select the bookcases. See, that is also furniture category, tables, bookcases information is going to display. This the bookcases tables. Again, click on that. One more options, art. If you want, we can select the art, so that options is going to display. These are the informations going to display. How much sales, how much profit we done, all the information. Like this we can filter. Once if you filter the information, see here that filter clear filter option is there. Click on that. It's going to clear all the information is going to display. In the customer also, if I click on that customer information, if you want we can select the customer information also, or else in central wise what is the region wise if you want to display, click on that region, no, select these options. Subcategory, I don't want, oh subcategory wise we selected, okay, I don't want this one. Another one I am going to select particular customer filter. If you want, click on that, select this one customer. I'm going to select the remove that subcategory. Customer, I'm going to select a customer name. Where is our customer name? Drag and drop into the filter. See all the customer name it's going to display. After that, click on that show filter. See now customer name is going to display. Particular customer wise also we can select. When we are going to select these options, here format filter, edit filter option also is there, remove filter, apply to worksheet, all using this data source or all using related data source. Selected worksheet we don't want, select second one, all the informations it will come to us. Here single value, drop down values, if you want we can select the drop down, or single value slider wise also if you want we can select. What I'm going to do that, so drop down values I'm going to select. Now see if I click on that, all that drop down button it will come. Okay, so in that go to dashboard, third one, here click on that outside. I'm going to delete one more, what is that, okay, customer information, no, here category wise, this one I think. See now we got that filter option. Select here, increase that. This is my chart. So now I want to filter particular customer wise. If you want to filter, select these options, click on that drop down button. So to all we can select only the particular customer information. If you want to see that, untick these options, select the particular customer. For sorry, remove that. My system got slow. Click on that. Untick. See now particular customer. Oh, we selected here multiple options. I selected. Click on that. Multiple values we don't want. A single value we should select. Click on that single value drop down button. I'm going to select it. Now see single customer information is going to display. Again click on that. So multiple options, by holding control key we can select a multiple option also, person also. Okay, because we selected here single value, that's why single customer information, so we can see the customer name is going to change. Particular customer information, so we can see that when we are going to select the customer wise, if you want to select we can, only single customer information is going to display. Here also say automatically is going to change. Here particular customer, say now See, now only single customer information is going to display. For all chart is going to filter. If I don't want, click on that clear filter, we can clear the filter. But if you want to display all the information, here single value list, single value drop down button, single value slider, multiple value list, all these informations we have, we can select the particular option also. Single value, only single person information, we can only the list options it's going to display. Which one you want, we can select all the information here. Once if we select the information, see like this, we can filter the particular product wise, customer wise, then category wise, segment wise, date wise, region wise, all the informations we can. Once if you want to use these filter options, must and should we have to drag and drop into the filter. In the filter, we have to click on that show filter. Automatically entire details we can select. See, now here it's selected, no, click on that, here also it's filtered here. See, now only one particular options, again click on that, this is the options we have. That's why we can filter what is my requirement, according my requirement. So which options I want to highlight, we can use the filter options also. If I don't want, remove that filter, it's going to remove. Here also, say everything is showing now. Here also everything is showing now. See, all the information is showing to us. Like this, we can filter the information. When we are going to select the filter options, so we have to select the show filter. In that single user, drop down button, multi user, which one you want, we can select. Must and should we have to select a worksheet, show the all worksheet. Then only it's going to apply to all the worksheet, it's going to apply. Got it? See, now once if we select the filter, click on that show filter, click on that show filter. Here options showing to us. Click on that drop down button, apply to all. Using this data source, must and should we have to select. We should not select selected worksheets, only this worksheet we should not select. Whatever data source we used in the dashboard, for entire data source it should apply. Like this we have to select. This is we called as a filter option. When we are going to create the dashboard, so that filter options automatically it's going to take. Here also we have in that. So here also we can. So I selected customer name and subcategories. If you want, you can select any different types of options. We can automatically it's going to display. It's going to filter customer information. If you want only the single customer, we can select only the single customer information is going to filter. Okay, in that, in this product hierarchy also, what are the product the customers purchased, that information. So here sales, in this particular customer how much amount we have to receive, all this information is at lowest, highest, then medium, all this information it's going to display to us. Okay, all the entire informations we can see in the dashboard also. Here, see entire dashboard we can see the information. If I filter in the three sheets also, we can select product informations we have. Click on that, see product, remove that, only the accessories. See now art, see like this we can select. Click on that all, we can select. Here my system little bit slow. Customer information, see all the customer information is going to display to us. Like this we have to create. This is we called as a dashboard story. Got it? So any doubt is there in the Tableau? So tomorrow we have the exam. Okay. So we complete, I covered all the chapters in the Tableau. If you have any confusions, doubts, anything, you can ask me. Suppose if you have any confusions, doubts, anything, tomorrow at 6 o'clock, 6 to 6:30, half an hour. So I will clarify your doubts, all these things. If you got any confusions, anything. So 6:30 to 7:30, we have the exam. I will send the link. So totally 50 questions is there. All questions are MCQ questions only. So you can take the exam through your mobile phone also. Got it? Any doubts? Is that clear? Response me in the chat box. If you have any doubts, anything, ask me. We completed the tableau. If you have any confusions, doubts, anything, ask me. Tomorrow we have the exam. No. Clear? Any doubt is there? No doubts, nothing. What about others then? Okay. 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 Yes, good. Okay, ma. Okay.